as Russia doesn't seem to understand that winter has come and their once hidden system become much easier to spot, as they place a 2S1 Gvozdika artillery at the end of a bare tree line. The FPV drone can easily spot the system, which has used rounds just laying in a pile next to the system, showing low morale as the system is poorly hidden with minimal effort, which leads the drone operator to make an easy strike on the system, which is full of ammunition, leaving the low armored system to get penetrated, which caused an internal fire, which soon makes all of the ammunition to blow up, destroying another of Russia's artillery, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.